Thank you so much, sir, and welcome to National IVF Summit and Awards 2024, hosted by Voice of Healthcare and Indian Fertility Society. What are your views on today's event?
Yes, it has been a fantastic event. The Voice of Healthcare has come out with this summit where all the IVF specialists are there attending, and they are going to discuss the various aspects of IVF, what is the current scenario, what is going to be in future, what are the future implication, what are the innovation which are going to come in the future, and how this IVF can be made more accessible and affordable to the Indian population. That is very important.
Thank you so much, sir. So, followed by to my next question, which regarding the panel discussion we just had, it is what role does insurance play in the affordability and accessibility of IVF treatment, and what ethical considerations are involved?
You see, right now in India, there is no insurance company which is covering IVF. When you look at USA, I have been there. There are many states which have insurance company paying the full IVF treatment, and patient can go cycle after cycle for IVF treatment. In India, there is no insurance cover. So as long as there is no insurance cover, that is the affordability of average people is affected, and we are telling the policymaker that they have to cover IVF in some form. Even in Ayushman Bharat, they are now planning to partially cover this IVF treatment. Similarly, in the government hospital also, medical colleges, they are also having some partial cover. They have to have some partial cover because the per capita income in India is low. So even an average cost of IVF cycle is very high treatment for an average couple. They cannot afford. So they have to have some coverage. That is what we are looking for.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for coming to this event and attending this. It's a pleasure to have you with
Thank
us.
you. Thank you. Thank you very much.